Hey guys, Jared here from AU Campers. I'm here with Kieran, and he is our winner for the 23-0 270-degree Falcon Wing awning. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
No worries. Cool. If you want to check out Kieran's adventures, it's Kiva Adventures on Facebook and Instagram. And he also has, is it Ocean to Outback?
Ocean to Outback photography, yeah.
That's it. So check it out. Cool. Right, let's get this installed. So for myself and all the other admins at AU Campers, we just want to thank 23-0 for making this giveaway possible, and of course to congratulate Kieran and Eva on winning the 23-0 270-degree Falcon Wing awning. I'm sure they'll get plenty of use out of the awning, and we hope to see you out in the tracks too. Cheers.